So me and the girlfriend have been all the way to Birmingham from Lincolnshire to buy a set of spotlights for my Mini. So let me show you. £40 stainless steel. This off face bay. So we're gonna fit them now. So I've had to drill holes in to fit the brackets. So I've actually made the holes in the brackets a little bit bigger, so I can put these stainless steel nuts in, so it's a better job. So it looks like this. Yeah? And there we go, look, there's one on. I think I was smashing it. So wait now to put the next one in. So there is no markings here, you just have to sort of put it roughly where you want. But I've sort of gone over as far as it will go. And also be careful when you drill this one, it goes under here. Well, this one here, because if you go too far you're going to dent your bonnet. Alright. There we go, mini spot lamps. Just got to wire them up now, but we don't have a clue how to do this yet. But there, not too bad, 40 quid. Bit of a drive out, but still good. So at the minute I'm just wiring them in. So it's a bit crude, my wiring's not brilliant. So yeah, I've got to tape it up a bit to hide it, so I'm just running it down the car through there. I'm going to mount my relay just on the back of here on this plastic. I'm just going to drill a hole in there and mount it there. So I'm going to have this onto a switch, I believe. That's how I'm going to do it. So I don't know if I've got enough wire. I don't know if you can see it, that S. Doesn't look a lot left. So let's see how we get on. So by the way, this is the wiring diagram. Apparently a lot of people don't know, but this is the diagram I've got from Wipac. Yeah. So I've had to open my box of tools as well. So let's see if we can get a bit more done. So there's my relay. So one goes to the battery. One I spliced in to the high beam power cable. And run it all the way down. I ran out of black wire by the way. Put it all the way down. I use this as my earth in the relay. So yeah, I do it like that. I think it's much better like this as well. I think it's better just to run off the full beam. But yeah, the eyes. Yeah. Brilliant. There we go, there's our mini headlamps fitted. Awesome, don't they? So I've done it without a switch. I've decided not to put the switch in, so with me, as soon as you turn the full beam off, it turns off, so it only comes on with the full beam. But yeah, look at that. I didn't see the point of the switch, to be honest. So if you were thinking of doing a set of spot lamps, get on eBay. You can buy a set for about £80 with the stainless steel spotlights, the wiring kit, and the brackets. I just saw some on FaceBay. That's a good thing, you know, FaceBay. £40, but I had to collect them from Birmingham. So someone bought them for their car, never fitted them, and they haven't got the car anymore. So they're on there. Now you can get some painted ones, stainless ones, and normal chrome. Do not buy the chrome, okay? They will rust within the first month. All right, stainless should last a few years, yeah. But yeah, to do this job took about, I would say, 4 hours, would you believe? It actually took me a lot longer. I thought it'd be a lot quicker than it was, but I'm not very fast with wiring, so I reckon I could have done it really if I'd had the equipment, maybe in 2.5, 3. But yeah, just make sure when you drill the spotlights, don't go too far with the drilling. Put a hole straight through your bonnet. All right, but there they are. So if you are thinking of doing this and you haven't got a wiring diagram, just pause it on the video and copy that down, all right? So that's it from me today. See you all very soon with a new video, and thank you for watching.